In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your signature in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to sign a document without printing it out and scanning it back in, this simple method will save you time and keep everything fully digital. Let's go step by step and make the process quick and easy. First, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Once you're there, open the document where you want to add your signature. Before doing anything else, make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the signature to appear. This will help you avoid repositioning it later. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing, then select Plus New. This will open a drawing window where you can create your signature. Inside that window, look for the Line tool. It looks like a diagonal line icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose Scribble. This feature allows you to draw freely using your mouse or stylus. Now, carefully draw your signature in the drawing area. Take your time to make it look the way you want. If you make a mistake, you can undo and try again until you're satisfied. Once your signature looks good, click the blue Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your signature will immediately appear in your Google Docs document at the location where your cursor was placed. If the size or position isn't perfect, don't worry. Simply click on the signature to select it. You'll see small blue squares around it that allow you to resize it. You can also click and drag the signature to reposition it exactly where you want on the page. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily add your electronic signature in Google Docs without printing or scanning anything. It's simple, efficient, and keeps your workflow completely digital. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.